Introducing the Becker Avionics AMU6500. Compared to legacy audio systems, Becker's AMU6500 provides a flexible configuration for future upgrades, superior panel visibility for day and night visual clarity, reduced noise for a quiet cockpit environment, overall improved sound quality. The backlight of the AMU6500 can be customized to any color to match cockpit requirements. Upgrade your audio management system by replacing your obsolete units with the AMU6500. Designed for simplicity of installation and easy pilot transition, for either a completely new audio configuration or plug-and-play replacement of a legacy audio system, such as the Becker M1045. The groundbreaking design of the AMU6500 includes next-generation audio capabilities, such as true 3D spatial audio for enhanced situational awareness, Bluetooth tablet device connectivity, and stereo music playback with auto muting. Each AMU6500 audio system can manage up to 12 transceivers and 12 receivers. Its ability to provide full functionality for up to 9 audio users makes the AMU6500 the perfect fit for a wide variety of customer configurations. For more information about how you can take your audio needs to the next level, visit www.beckerusa.com or email info@beckerusa.com.